Hey friends, Luck here. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be continuing our series looking at the Huawei Band 6 Pro. So we're going to be comparing it to the Oppo Band style or the Oppo Band. We're going to be looking at some similarities and some differences between the two devices. So first of all, the two devices are completely different design-wise. The Huawei Band 6 Pro definitely for me has one of the best designs out there compared to other fitness bands or smart bands that we have. The thing that I don't like about the Oppo band is just the screen real estate. The screen real estate is really small. It looks extremely small compared to that of the Mi Band 6 or the Huawei Band or the Honor Band 6. So looking at the build quality between the both of them, definitely the Huawei Band 6 Pro has a higher build quality. It looks absolutely more beautiful compared to the Oppo Band style. So let's look at the navigation between the both of them. So swiping down on the Oppo Band, you do go to the application menu, while on the Huawei Band 6 you go to your widgets. When you swipe up on the Huawei Band 6 is basically the same thing. When you swipe up, you get your notifications, while on the Oppo Band you go straight to the applications once again. So swiping to the side, you get different watch faces on the Oppo Band, while on the Huawei Band 6 Pro you get different applications. So those are the differences in the navigation settings between the two devices. Now coming to the applications that you have on the devices, the Huawei Band 6 Pro or even the Huawei Band 6 has more applications compared to that of the Oppo Band or the Oppo Band style. So but you do have your heart rate monitor on the Oppo Band, you have your blood oxygen monitor, you have your sleep monitoring, and you have other things as well. You have your notifications, you have the Alipay settings. But on the Huawei Band 6 Pro, you do have your workout modes, you have the workout records, heart rate monitoring, blood oxygen monitoring, as well as the new body temperature monitoring as well. You have your activity records, your sleep monitoring, the stress monitoring, breathing exercises. So technically there are definitely more applications that you get on the Huawei Band 6 Pro compared to the Oppo Band 6. You also do have the inclusion of the new card features where you can include cards on your Huawei Band 6 Pro, which is not available on the Huawei Band 6. So another thing that we do have here is when you go to the settings, I've said this in the other videos, when you go to the settings, you have the ability to include a pin. So the pin is just for you to lock your device, so you will use it personally. So in case the device gets missing, you will be able to do other, no one will be able to open the device except you. So that way probably you will get your device returned back to you. So another thing that I didn't need to say, while changing the watch faces on the Huawei Band 6 Pro, you just need to hold down on your device and you'll be able to change between different styles of watch faces. Any one that you like, you'll be able to change it into that particular one. If I was to recommend any one of these two devices, definitely I will recommend the Huawei Band 6 Pro over the Oppo Band style. If we look at all my videos and all the comparison that I've done, the Oppo Band style or the Oppo Band is definitely a device that I do not like and I do not enjoy using. I would even recommend the Mi Band 6 or the Huawei Band 6 or the Honor Band 6. Even the Mi Band 5 for me is slightly better than the Oppo Band in terms of design, but not in terms of the features that you have on the device. So this was just a mini comparison between these two devices. At the end of the day, it's your choice for which one you would like to take, but definitely for me, I would definitely recommend the Huawei Band 6 or the Honor Band 6 or any others compared to the Oppo Band. So thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next one.